Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenas noches, buenos días. If you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hola, what's poppin'? As you can see, we're jumping straight into the video today. And it is the final episode in the mini U-Part Wig series. Episode 3 is finally here. We can conclude this series once and for all. So it's pretty self-explanatory. What you see me doing right now is just kind of playing around, adjusting the wig to see where I would like it to sit and essentially map out how much parting space I would need to leave out. And then from then on, it's just about getting the right parting, whether it's a straight parting or a curved one. I actually decided to braid down my hair as well because I do want to keep this unit in for quite a long time. So you'll just see me braiding down my hair. I braid down the hair that I'm leaving out. And then once that's all done, I pretty much move on to styling. Again, I'm not going to talk too much, but if you do have any questions, you know I'm very active in the comments. And yeah, pretty much that's about it. So I'll just let you guys kick back and watch. Do let me know what you think of this wig, and I'll be sure to link my rating and scores in the description box as per usual.
Shorty off the Insta, just threw on a hoodie, that's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart telephone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, EP. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me and 3 of me when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I had, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm outside.
That's nuts, Billy. That's nuts, Billy.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off the Insta, just threw on a hoodie, that's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense. Think we need about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling up, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me and 3 of me when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you.